Hi everyone, welcome back. When I was in school, all I wanted to do was to learn how to paint. But there were not any art classes near my home. And when I did find some art teachers, the fee was very high, and above all, they wanted to teach what they wanted to teach, not what I wanted to learn. So it did not seem worth it. Then I went to college, and one of the best things that happened in my life was free internet. I am a self-taught artist. By self-taught, I mean I didn't go to any art school or hobby classes. Almost everything I know I've learned from YouTube. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to be a self-taught artist, or to be more specific, how to be a YouTube taught artist. I'm going to break it down into a few simple steps. Step 1 is decide what you want to learn. There are so many kinds of art, it's better to be a little specific in the beginning. Whether you want to learn acrylic painting, oil painting, pencil sketches, pen drawings, mixed media art, etc. etc. What do you want to learn? You have to decide that first. Step 2 is to start with the basics. Once you have decided what medium you want to learn, it's time to learn the basics. Let's say you have chosen acrylic colors. Instead of searching for how to make an acrylic painting, you should search how to paint a rose with acrylic medium, or how to paint trees with acrylic colors, or be a little more specific. Then watch a bunch of videos and try to do it yourself. For this painting, I searched how to paint a galaxy with acrylic colors. Step 3 is to subscribe to your favorite channel. If you find an amazing video and you like the teaching style of the YouTuber, don't forget to subscribe to their channel and click on the bell button just beside the subscribe button. That way you will get notification every time they will post a video. You don't have to remember the name of the YouTuber or the YouTube channel the next time you open YouTube. The best thing about learning from YouTube is that you can choose your own teacher. In fact, you can choose as many teachers as you can. That too without any additional fees. I learned how to paint galaxy from a YouTube channel named Stay Creative Painting. They had over 100,000 subscribers and I loved his teaching style. He had amazing 10-minute video tutorials and they were very simple, very basic. So I subscribed to his channel so that I can easily visit his channel and do not miss any of his future videos. Step 4 is to apply what you learned. Well, now you know what you want to do and how to do it. Now it's time for you to actually do it, the painting. Trust me, I know it will not be as easy as I make it look in the video. And it will not turn out as pretty as theirs. But in time, with practice, you'll get there. And someday, very soon, you'll surprise yourself. In my next video, I'll share my favorite YouTube channels that I follow to learn painting and other art stuff. don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my future videos. And we'll meet again on Thursday. Bye bye.